Alright folks, thanks for coming. It's Mark here. Christina Aguilera's on at the arena in Liverpool. So I've just come down with my mate to see what's going on, you know. I went the chemotherapy today. I got my chemotherapy alert card. I'm on 2 different types of chemotherapy. Obviously, I'm not going to tell you what type of chemotherapy I'm on because people could be Googling and looking for what they are used for. I just don't think I should be telling people at this stage the personal information which I feel is irrelevant. I'm on chemotherapy and that's all I feel people need to know. But yeah, it went all well today. They took me bloods. Actually, my bloods were within the guidelines. Very good, what the part of the blood they were looking for. And my bloods are up to taking the first set of chemo. And that will be at 1:30 on the Wednesday the 10th. So that one is going to be by injection while I'm an inpatient at the Royal Cancer Treatment Centre, and I'm going to be on tablets. I'm on chemotherapy 1 day on, and then I have it a week later, then a week later 3 lots, and then I'm on tablets as well. I think 3 days on, 3 off. So the videos are going to I'm going to suffer side effects, folks, and I love all the support you have given me, and I just can't say it from the bottom of my heart. Whatever happens, you know, zero finest, love to all the subscribers. It's an over me. And just spent time with a mate, you know. Nice as well today before I went to the hospital. Went up to meet a friend. I said I'd go meet. Spent about an hour and 20 minutes up there. Big hello to Scott. Thanks, mate. Nice guy, family man. Just getting on with his life. Much appreciated for making us a coffee and having a little chat. It was good. Anyway, folks, you know, I'm just trying to cope everyday life as it is. To be honest with you, I got weighed this morning and I was 61 kilos. By my reckoning, that means about 9 stone, 9 stone, 10 pound, 11 pound. So I could do with putting a bit of weight on. So I'm going to buy myself some bars of chocolate and put them in the house. We never like them all. Packets of sweets. Jelly babies, bad fats, any fat I've got to put on is good, isn't it? I've got to keep that weight on. So, you know, considering the average weight about, you know, really should be at least 11 stone 5. You know, it's just dropped off from there, and I've lost my videos back myself and I can see it's dropping drastically. You know, some people don't know it's only stage 4 cancer. Let's have it right. I'm receiving palliative care. I'm classed as an end of life patient now. The reason I'm getting the chemotherapy is to prolong life. So, you know, it is what it is. How far it prolongs it by is down to me. Whether this stealth has got it in him to give it a fucking fight, and I've got to give it every fucking go I can. And I bet you the ones who say, oh, it's only stage 4 cancer, I bet you they haven't got it. You know, I know stage 4 cancer wasn't what it was 10, 20 years ago, but hey, let's have it right. It's not nice. Fact. Anyway, no more about that. I'm in a good mood. I'm going to go for a little scram with Dave in a minute. Unfortunately, I can only get them little popcorn chickens down here. They have to get that on soup. You know, like the barbecue sauce rather. You know, to help get it down. And just little bits and chew it well. But hey, thanks folks. I'm going to answer them comments. I'm being very busy today. the hospital. So I promise you I will get round to answering every comment, each and every one. God bless you and thanks for coming. Oh, by the way, a quick question. Why I'm ill at some moment in time. Do you think I should have the missionaries, the church missionaries, the missionary church knocking at my door at this time in my life? What would you say about that? You don't get a priest knocking at your door. You don't get a vicar knocking at your door. You don't get a rabbi knocking at your door. Why do you get missionaries knocking at your door? I'd just like to know, please. Read it in your comments. Thank you.